Let me show you what I've done here now. So I've got my curtain walls all in place, okay? And I've worked out the length distance, if you like, of each of these. So from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. Now, the next thing I wanted to do was to work out the height, okay? And I'd like these all to be in and around the same height. So if I come over here to the PDF, you see we've got to figure out 3.15, 3.15, 3.15, and so on. Now they're kind of floor to floor heights, and we know that our panel will drop below that. But that's kind of what we're aiming for, if you like, something along those lines. So if we take that, this is the floor slab plus the down stand that we created. I'm taking a mean figure of, that's 300 mil, see it there? So I've come off the bottom of the down stand up 300 mil, and that's more or less where I'm going to position my horizontal mullion, okay? And I've used construction lines here. Okay, so these are my red construction lines that I got you to make. Came up 300 there and came across the whole way across. Now, I was able to copy those, put them onto the copy clipboard, and I've pasted those into each of the sections here. I've had to adjust the top of the curtain walling in each case to fit that. So my precast capping will come down and sit onto this. It's going to be a little bit deeper than I thought initially, okay? But the most important thing is that these are the same distances the whole way up, so that when I swap out the glazing for the panel, it should fit in very nicely. Now the last thing I have to do on this one here is go into architecture and go into curtain grid, and now I want to place my curtain grids. Sometimes it can be very hard to get it absolutely spot on, but there you go, there's one. And again, this is the benefit of using those construction lines that we could do there too. Okay, and down to here to zoom in a bit, zoom in a bit. Okay, as close as is humanly possible. Now, so that's basically my panel there, right? Now I can do that for the rest of them here, and to show you that in action. Okay, that is in the north, is it? Yeah. Let's go to the 3D. I'm gonna just spin around here to the north. Sorry, that's the south. This is the north. Here it is here. Okay, now if I tab in here, look, tab, 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 there. That's a single panel, and I'll be able to unpin that and swap it out for the panels I'm going to create now, and that's going to be the process here. Back to the south elevation, and you can see that the positioning of the mullions for this curtain wall glazing is slightly different, very awkward looking altogether. So what I'll do is I'll go around on the purple ones. I'll do all the purple curtain walls first, then I'll come back to this and I'll do that, then I'll come back down here and I'll do those. So it's just a question of placing your curtain grids along here, more or less to match up there. So we're going to have a door in here. I've actually got to put a curtain wall in here because I want to put a door in there too. Okay, that's not quite correct because according to the plan that's a bit of a box out there, I think, unless it's a planter, is it? No, it's a box out, I think, which is giving me this here. So I need to put in a little bit of curtain wall in there. So I'll put a door in here, I'll put a door on there, and into the ground floor plan. What does that mean? That means there'll be a door in here and there'll be a door in there, which takes us into the lobby for the stairs and everything else like that. Now that's that'll set me up to get all of that ready, and then the next video I'm going to make will be, I'm going to show you how to create a panel and then how to swap it out and swap it in. Basically, that'll be it.